The essential understanding for this lesson is bar graphs can be used to organize and display data. The height or length of bars in a bar graph makes it easy to compare data. Previously, students made, read, and analyzed line plots. In this lesson, students make, read, and analyze bar graphs. This problem is key because students must interpret the lengths of bars in a bar graph to compare data. Listen and look for students who have difficulty making sense of this problem. Some students may write the number of students who read or the number of students who play. Other students may not understand how the bars in the bar graph relate to quantities. To help these students make sense of the problem, ask guiding questions such as, how many students play after school? How many students read after school? To find how many more students play than read, should you add or subtract? Listen and look for other students who correctly compare the lengths of the bars to solve the problem. Some students may compare the lengths of the two bars by counting up from the length of the bar for reading until they match the length of the bar for playing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other students may explain that the bar for playing is 11 boxes long, and the bar for reading is 5 boxes long. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. So, 6 more students play than read after school. These students demonstrate an understanding of how to use the lengths of bars in a bar graph to compare data. These students are developing their understanding of different types of data displays. This will help them later as they need to choose the most appropriate type of data display.
Use the table to make a bar graph. First, write a title and label the graph. The title is Favorite Activities. The labels are Music, Dance, Art, and Drama. Why is it important to write a title and labels for the graph? One reason is so you can tell what the graph is about and how it shows the information. These labels tell you what the activity is. The numbers tell you how many children like each activity. Let's color boxes for each activity to match the data on the table. How many children like drama the most? 6 children like drama the most. What does the graph show about music and art? The graph shows that 3 children like music and 1 child likes art. Do the numbers on the table match the numbers on the graph? Yes, the numbers on the table and graph do match. You have learned how to use a table to make a bar graph.
Here we have a table of data showing the favorite snacks of the students in Emily's class. Cool info, but I want to see this information on a nice, colorful bar graph. No problem, Emily. We can make that happen. All we have to do is use bars instead of numbers, right? That's right. So for each snack, the total number of students represents a different colored bar. And voila! Oh, I see. The bars tell you how many students like each snack. And using the bars, you can quickly compare the number of responses given their choices. Wow! Bar graphs sure do rock!